In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change labels in Pipedrive. If you're managing deals and contacts within Pipedrive, knowing how to efficiently handle labels is crucial for keeping everything organized. Let's get started. So first, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account. From there, we'll begin our journey from the Pipedrive homepage. Think of the homepage as your command center, and this is where you can access all the crucial elements of your workflow. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Deals tab. This is where all of your transactions are housed. Click on the Deals tab to dive into your list of current transactions. It's a space that provides a bird's-eye view of everything you're working on, perfect for quickly scanning active deals. Within this list setup, you can identify and click on the specific contact whose labels you wish to change. This segmentation ensures you're updating the precise entry you need to manage better. Once you've identified the contact, the next step involves locating the current label. This is an easy step. Simply click on the existing label associated with the contact. Easy navigation makes this process smooth, and it's crucial to ensure you are working on the correct detail. After clicking on the current label, you're looking to update it. Removing the old label is quite straightforward. Just click on the label. It's as simple as a swift click, and the old label is gone, leaving room for a fresh update. Now, with the label cleared, it's time to select the new label you want to assign. Pick the label that best represents or fits the newer assignment for the contact. The beauty of Pipedrive is in the way it visually represents these changes, making data management a breeze. So, picking a new label is not only about organization, but also about customizing how you interact with each deal. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of changing labels in Pipedrive. With practice, this will become an intuitive part of your routine. This method keeps you agile and organized, making sure every deal is tagged with the right label for efficient sorting and management. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks on optimizing your experience with Pipedrive. Remember, staying organized is key to a productive workflow. Until next time, happy organizing!